Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the phone and opening the right menu. Make sure the battery is above 20% and your finger is clean to avoid read errors. Next, go to Settings, tap Passwords and Security, then choose Fingerprint. You must set a backup PIN, pattern, or password first because the fingerprint data needs account fallback. This keeps the phone accessible if the scanner fails. Once done, tap Add Fingerprint to begin the enrollment process. Now you'll enroll the fingerprint with deliberate taps so the sensor learns the whole print. Place the finger flat on the sensor, lift, then reposition slightly to capture edges and the pad. This improves recognition from different angles. Follow on-screen prompts and keep movements small and steady. The progress meter shows coverage. If the phone asks for different positions, oblige. This ensures reliable unlocking. Make sure to include at least one thumb. Finish by enabling fingerprint unlock for screen lock and any supported apps. Toggle those options in the fingerprint settings. Test the lock and unlock sequence at least 5 times, using different angles and pressures to confirm consistent recognition. If unlocking is unreliable, make sure the sensor and finger are dry, then re-enroll the same finger or add an alternate finger. If errors persist, clear existing fingerprints and re-register them. This resolves most calibration and data corruption issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.